Hi, just another update on the Cavalier front end removal. So this plate here is what I'm taking out just at the moment. So I've taken a couple of the spot welds out, you can see there, and the whole front cross members coming out, so I didn't need to drill these out. These two at the top here, and then there's a couple here I need to drill out. And then I'm taking the wing off at the moment, so while you take the wing off, there's the bolt at the bottom here, and then there's one here which you get from inside, and then there's one at the top, at the back of the door. You need to open the door up, and then there's all the bolts along the front at the top, but at the engine bay there's one here, and if your front panel's still on, you'll have one here as well, which holds that on. So, but yeah, I'm just drilling these out at the moment here, and then I think there's a couple here. I don't know how well I'm going to get in there, but I need to get the wing off to check. So that's just this panel here, you can see inside, that's coming out because it's, you can see here, it's rotten, as was the other side. So that's that bit done, getting done, so I'll let you know in the next video where we're getting to. Okay, thanks, cheers.